Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a QR code for your Shopify website, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard right now. However, I will switch to Google for a moment. As you can see, I just typed in QR code generator, and there is a wide variety of them which you can choose from to create a QR code. Now, there is this Shopify one which I did use in a previous tutorial. However, this for some reason does not want to work as of the current moment. As you can see, the preview doesn't say anything, and if I click send QR code to actually generate it, it's just gonna give me an application error. So what I would recommend is to just get your URL or your domain for your website or your web store on Shopify, then go to any online QR code generator which you can find, and then just choose type as website as this and add Google or add your link. Then you can name your QR code if you want to. I'll name it test, and you can add a password if you want to. Then once you click next, as you can see, you can design your QR code like this if you want to. However, as you can see, this is the image of the QR code, and you can screenshot it or create it and download it as you would for any other code. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.